Hey guys, Tech Timmy here again. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi on the Eufy 15C Max robot vacuum. You might need to do this if you have a power outage that causes your router to go down, and or if you have an internet outage. And I've also just had it go offline for no apparent reason. So here's what you need to do to reset it. So I'll film this video of me resetting the actual vacuum, and then I'll film a second video and try and string the two of them together, showing how to reconnect the Wi-Fi using your smartphone apps. So to reset the vacuum, it's pretty simple. You just need to hold this button down for 10 seconds, and as you can see, the status light is not blinking as it normally would be. So we're gonna do the reset right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it took roughly 10 seconds. And now you can see the status light is blinking, which is exactly what you want. You want that slow blinking light to be able to connect up to your apps. So I'm gonna take a video of me doing that next. Hope you found it helpful. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back, and I just restarted or reset my Eufy RoboVac 15C by holding the power button down for 10 seconds. And now we're going to show you how to add the device using your Eufy app. And then, to configure for Wi-Fi. So I'm going to tap Add Device, and then obviously I'm going to pick Robot Vacuum. And then next we want to find your particular model of vacuum. So I have the 15C Max, so I'm going to select that icon. And then next here, what you want to do is you want to enter your Wi-Fi password for your network. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it's important to note that Eufy does not support 5 gigahertz networks. So you need to have I believe it's 2.4 gigahertz network to connect up to. So if you only have 5 gigahertz enabled, which some routers do now, you can actually contact your cable company and have them split it up for you so that you can get both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. I had to do that. So now we're going to say next, and then check RoboVac status. And I'm gonna check and make sure my light is still blinking, and it is. So we're gonna say status confirm and then say next. And then here, basically what we wanna do is we want to go to your Wi-Fi setting on your phone. So we're gonna find that, let's see. And as you can see in your Wi-Fi network setup, which is kind of interesting, is that you have the Eufy RoboVac 15C right there. So you want to select that in your Wi-Fi network setting. And then once it's connected, which the little check mark means that it is, we want to switch back to the Eufy app, because that's what they're asking us to do. And now it's trying to connect up, and hopefully if all goes well, we will be once again connected. This actually, it gets a little bit faster if I remember correctly. Yep, there we go. Okay, and now successfully added your device. And I like to call my guy Buddy. Hopefully you have an interesting name for yours as well. And then so I'm gonna say save name. And that's it. So now the device is connected to Wi-Fi once again. And it shows as active in the app, and it's in standby mode right now. So there you have it. So that's how you fully connect. You fully do a reset and connect back up to your Wi-Fi network for the Eufy RoboVac 15C. I'm guessing it probably works for other models as well. But Buddy is the 15C. If you like this video, you got any value from it, you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. It actually really helps me out a lot. And if you're into smart home tech, why not consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.